Check out this lifetime deal from softwaretrailers.com. Today, we are presenting an awesome deal for Velents. Are you facing difficulties scheduling interviews and handling recruitment? Do you want to shorten your interview and recruitment process? Then you should try Velents. Get lifetime access for only $79. Velents is an AI-powered end-to-end screening technology that evaluates and ranks prospects at every stage of the employment process. It allows users to search for employment on AI-powered platforms, apply directly through videos, and answer recruiters' questions, as well as receive a personalized timeline based on their interests and industry. With Velents on-demand video interviews, you can cut your interviewing and employment time in half. The AI-powered software can evaluate recorded video interviews and narrow down the best applicants for you to hire. You can eliminate unconscious bias and identify the perfect talent for the job, because it's jam-packed with exams and assessments for applicants. Create tests based on your employment requirements, and Velents AI will analyze candidates' personalities during interviews. Inform potential candidates about available positions and communicate with them via SMS and WhatsApp. After completing an evaluation, the software may score a candidate's outcomes based on objective standards. You can also conduct a live coding interview with your top candidates to evaluate their programming abilities and creative ideas. Non-technical recruiters, even if they lack technical expertise, can create a range of assessments based on seniority level and job description. With Velents, you can connect with applicants, perform skill assessments, and make better hiring decisions in a fraction of the time. Velents' lifetime deal starts at only $79. Save as much as $900. If you like what you hear about Velents, check out more details in the description below and get lifetime access today at an affordable price. Check out other current software lifetime deals available on the right side of your screen. You will probably find a software solution that's right for you. Hit that like button and subscribe to get the latest software deals at discounted prices. Thanks for watching. See you next time.